to see the doggies who are loving the snow. Gotta lock them in here so they don't make a mess. Oh man, I don't want to make a mess either. Hello! Oh no, Jack! They're so well trained. Stop, 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 stop. Let's see you play. They just love it. They don't care that it's really annoying to have to stay at work overnight, walk home from work. Good job! Lily, where's your collar? You better not be lost out here. You guys!